In an era of high plant productivity requirements and an experienced workforce facing retirement, companies now face the reality of training their next generation of technical employees to keep production moving forward. At Endress & Hauser, we have the solution. Our network of PTUs, or Process Training Units, full-scale working process skids with online instrumentation and controls. As we train, 60% of class time is spent with real-life, hands-on examples of what you will see in your facility, going far beyond what classroom-only style training can provide. Those attending our courses say they provide information they cannot receive in other types of training classes they have attended.
The traditional learning environment, which is in the classroom, possibly with PowerPoint or by textbook, does not get across the full picture of working on instrumentation as it's live. So not only are we working with live instrumentation, we're also putting it into an actual dynamic environment where they can see this equipment operate under adverse conditions.
In addition to the instrumentation training, our partnership with Rockwell Automation integrates full plant PAX process control systems in these training units. This venue shows concepts in action with live demonstrations of preferred integration, all in an environment designed specifically for process training. Whether you're an experienced process engineer, operator, or maintenance technician, or are just now entering the process automation field, Endress & Hauser can provide basic to advanced training in all phases of process instrumentation.
Operational downtime for any employer is very significant and is very costly. In order to keep the processes up, they need highly trained maintenance staff as well as operators and engineers. Endress & Hauser provides that training so that they can go back to their facility and be able to identify problems with instruments or their process control system overall as a result of working on the process training unit.
In our network of process training units, we provide basic training on the most prevalent types of instruments used to measure flow and level, pressure and temperature, digital communications, and liquid analysis. Courses range from 4 to 32 hours, taking you through the types of instruments used, their proper applications, setup and configuration, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Our seasoned instructors make your learning match the everyday situations you encounter in your own facility.
The real tangible benefits that our customers will see after attending one of our training sessions is that they're able to quickly identify problems with their own instruments, and where they find that the instruments are actually operating correctly, they are finding problems within their process itself that is able to get those problems resolved quickly and efficiently and back online.
We have built these PTUs in several locations, allowing you easier access to experience the types of operation, diagnostics, and troubleshooting found in real-life process plants, including communications with many of today's common digital protocols. This type of learning doesn't stop at simply how to maintain and repair the instrumentation. You learn how these intelligent devices can actually help improve the process in your plant, so you get the most out of the investment you have made in instrumentation.
By investing in the Endress & Hauser Process Training Unit classes, students will be able to leave here and go right into their facility and make an immediate impact to the actual operation of their facility.
We realize not everyone will be able to attend an instructor-led course at one of our PTUs, or be ready for that advanced level of instruction. This is why we can also provide customers with an online learning experience for our products, called the End User Academy. These online training modules cover many of the basics and allow you to prepare for the more in-depth material you would receive at the PTU. Or if you have a large enough group that requires training at your site, we can custom tailor a training solution to meet that need as well.
The End User Academy, offered by Endress & Hauser, offers a unique opportunity for training online at any time at the customer's discretion for their employees, whether it's across shifts or multiple locations, or they don't have a consistent training program that they can afford to upkeep. Endress & Hauser provides that training as well.
Endress & Hauser is your partner, not only providing you with the instruments and solutions you need for your process, but also the training and experience you need to get the most out of what you have. Endress & Hauser, the preeminent provider of process instrumentation training.